Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this soft glam makeup look. It's really beautiful for like a carpet or prom or some kind of special event. It's very glamorous. I'm pretty in love with it. I don't usually do this kind of makeup on myself. I even like did eyeliner on the inner corners. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video because I know you guys will like it already. Also, don't forget to follow my social media. It'll all be linked down in the description box. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Hopefully we don't have no babies. I don't even want to go back home. Hopefully I don't leave you on your own. Hit you up with the bomb, bomb, bomb. Hey guys, so to prime my eye I'm using some concealer and then I'm going to set it with translucent powder. So for eyeshadow I'm using the Dose of Colors Desi and Katy palette and I'm taking the shade Churro and I'm just going to place that on my eye with a pencil brush and I'm not blending out just yet. So at first I took this small blender brush to diffuse the edges of the shadow, but I didn't like how it was going for me, so I just switched to a fluffier brush to diffuse it and it worked way better, so do that. And then I'm going back in with Churro on the pencil brush we used and I'm replacing that color after I blended it out. Now I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to pack that on the eye and work my way up to the crease. So we're just going to do a soft cut with diffused edges. We're not going to make it very precise or clean. So I'm taking that small blender brush and I'm just further diffusing the edges. That's really good for getting inside the crease area. This is hard to explain. And then I'm going back in with Churro on that brush and I'm just going to add some more pigment. Alright, so now for the lid shade, I took Basic and I placed that all over the lid with a fluffy brush just to keep everything soft, but it wasn't bright enough for me, so I dipped into the Morphe Jeffree palette and I'm taking this color Lynn and I'm gonna layer it on top, and as you can see it gave me the brightness I wanted. So now I'm taking L'Oreal Blackest Black gel liner and I'm just gonna create a wing. For the brow bone, I used Lynn to highlight, and then on the inner corner, I placed Try Me, and then I topped it with Just a Kiss to brighten. To fill in my pores, I'm taking the Photo Finish primer from Smashbox, and I'm going to place that in the T-zone, and then I'm going to spot conceal with my Tarte Shape Tape on any dark marks or discoloration and blend it out. For foundation, I'm using my Armani Luminous Silk, and this is in the shade number 9. I'm gonna actually blend it out with a brush today, guys. What? Crazy. I know. This is a Lime Crime brush. It's really soft, and it actually turned out good. It wasn't streaky at all, but I'm gonna go over it with a sponge, of course, to make sure everything is nicely blended. And then for concealer, I'm using the Fenty, of course, in the shade 310, and I'm gonna highlight my face and blend it out. I really love this concealer for brightening, you guys. It is medium coverage, so I don't really like how it is on its own, but layered on top of a full coverage concealer, it just adds the perfect amount of brightening. So for setting powder, I'm taking Huda Beauty and Banana Bread. I love this powder, guys. It's like a freaking veil. So I'm just gonna bake that in areas that we concealed, and then I'm gonna take the remaining on the sponge and just set the rest of the face. So for the lower lash line, I'm taking a Churro and I'm just gonna dust that all along there, and I'm keeping it simple just with that one color. So now we're gonna wipe away all of the bake, fallout, booty crumbs, whatever fell, and just take it off. And I'm setting the rest of the face with powder. And now we're just gonna apply mascara to the lower lashes, y'all. So for bronzer, I'm taking a Kylie bronzer in the shade Almond. I love this color because it's not orangey. It's like a neutral, cool toned bronzer. And I'm just going to bronze the temples, the cheeks, the jawline, and the nose. For blush, I'm taking the Physicians Formula Mood Blush in the shade Rose, and I'm just putting that on my cheeks. And then I'm going to set my face before I apply my highlight, which I'm using the Jasmine Beauty Golden Hour Set Hello in the shade Coastin'. And I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks and my nose. So for lips, I'm going to conceal them and use the Jouer lip topper in the shade Rose and mix it with some clear gloss. And that is the look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow my social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!